Welcome to GuideGrid. Today I'm gonna show you how to send music in Instagram DM. So first of all, just open your Instagram account, go on messages. Here, select the DM where you want to send the music. I'm gonna go and select this one. Now here, click on message. Just click on this sticker option right beside this gallery one. Okay, now here, go on this sticker option at the center. Now here, as you can see, this music option is showing. Click on it and select whatever song you desire. I'm gonna go and select this, and you're good to go. Now if your music option, go on Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is up to date. Update the app if needed. Another thing you can do is you can go on settings and you can clear the app data. Also on iPhone you can go on apps, manage apps, and you can offload the data. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.